everyone, welcome to Showmax channel. Well, this video is all about my watercolor practice session. Actually, I have gone through many artist video and learned many things, but I'm not doing the practice on a daily basis. So I wish to do the practice, and also I wish to share the same thing to you. If you have any opinion, please share those things in my comments. That will be very helpful for my upcoming videos too. Let's get started. Well, I wish to practice some different shapes of leaves. So for that I have taken a Paul Rubens paint set. It's a 24 color set. Already I have posted a video of it. If you haven't have a look, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can go ahead and check it. I plan to draw a thin branch line, but it doesn't comes out well. I don't know why the paint becomes super dry, or I'm taking more water, but still I don't know why. It's drying very fast. Yeah, here the first leaf comes out really good, and I try to do the same things all over the branch. Let's see. Yeah, these two leaves comes out really good, but I don't know why the patchy stuff was there. It's because of the paper, or it's because of the brush, or because of the water level. Because of the water level in my brush. I don't know why, but let's see. Let's hope for the best. Here I started very close to the next leaf, so I don't want to do a big leaf, so I just leave it like that. Look, I'm taking more water, but still I don't know why. Let's keep trying out. Look. Here I wish to explode, but there is not enough water, so yeah. Here the leaf doesn't comes out really well, but still I leave it as it is because all the leaves doesn't look like in the same shape, so I just leave it. Here I made a mistake. Look, the leaf doesn't comes out well. I try to change the color of the leaf, but unfortunately my painting doesn't comes out well because of this water, so it's not exploding or something, so I couldn't do that. So here I just want to change the leaf shape, so I'm just overdoing on it, so that I try to cover it up. Yeah. Well, here I'm going to try one more time, but the leaves will be in a different shape. I try to make a sharp branch Okay, now I'm going to try bit big leaf with the shapes. I mean with the waves. Yeah, the first leaf comes out really good. Sorry, I missed out for the second leaf, so I didn't record it. It's okay. Yeah. But the second leaf shape is entirely different. But I feel like I gave some movement of the leaf, but that is not my idea. But still, my hand doesn't work well. What in my mind? Oh, look, also the fourth leaf. I made a very big mistake. I feel like it's not comes out well, so I want to try one more leaf between that to cover it up. Yeah, I hope this gives a coverage. Okay, let's enjoy the video. I believe you also like this video. If you are a beginner, just give a try. So this is very helpful for you. An artist says if you keep doing it, there will be a muscle memory. So I don't know what word is mean by muscle memory, but still I'm try to do that. If I get in hands-on practice, I hope it will come slowly. Let's see. Keep watching and enjoy the video. Well, in my next practice, I wish to do some leaves, branches, and along with that, I plan to do some fruits. Fruits in the sense, I plan to do some cherries, and this is also from one of the very big artist idea, and I want to do a practice. So here I tried. Let's see how it comes out. Here the color I have taken is I mix up some emerald deep green with the Prussian blue, so it's a look entirely different. The color looks different. Well, here one leaf in one shape and one direction. I don't know. Okay, here I started making some cherries, very little ones. Oh. Here it is completely filled with water. I'll try to manage that. Okay. Here I try to pull the color. Still it has more water on it. So I'm washing off completely and I try to make another cherry. Okay. Okay, somewhat it looks like cherry. Well, here I'm going to repeat the same thing, few branches with the leaves and along with that cherries. So I just speed up this process. Here the leaves looks entirely different. I'm making some circle. Well, here I plan to do trees, so I'm trying to get the circle shape and also leaving some white space. And now I'm taking the darker color. So to give some texture. And for the stem I'm taking the dark brown. I don't know which brown I have taken. I'm taking the burnt brown from here. I wash my brush and slightly touching the ground. To smoothen it. And I want the leaves to get all done here. Well, here I plan to do one more tree. I wish to do one more tree. For that, I picked Indian elbow and madder red. I hope you also like this video, and if you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click on the notification button so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Until, take care. Bye.